We use one of the following ways to remove the lid before finishing the installation or when we can still get to the lid from the side. Stretch the trunking slightly aside and pull the lid out. Pull one side of the lid out and then push it in. Place the lid equally on both sides, then push on the center part of the lid to make the lock easily fit. The locks need to be in the correct position. When placing the lid next to the instrument, it's better to start a bit farther. Check that the locks fit precisely and then move the lid back to the instrument. Opening the lid with a tool according to the standard. Push on the center part of the lid to make a gap between the lid and the trunking. Use a screwdriver to open the lock. Then push the lid in to release it.